In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Altimeter on our Apple Watch. First of all, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the Compass app. And from Compass app, tap on this info button. Here, if you scroll down, here you will find elevation. First of all, let's clear our current elevation, and now just tap on set target alert. And here you can go ahead and select your target. Let's select here 500 feet. And then I'm clicking on done. And here you can see I've successfully added my target elevation. Now on, whenever you want to check your altimeter, just go to your app screen, go to Compass, and here tap on this info button. And here you can see I've successfully added my elevation. Now from here I can easily check my altimeter. That's it for now.